Hello everyone, and welcome to this edition of CTAC's Lighting Lowdown while on lockdown. My name is Rick Morrison. Today we'll be introducing two fixtures from Hazlux, the WNL and the FDL, both rated for classified environments. First up is the WNL linear explosion-proof fixture. This fixture is rated for both Class 1 and Class 2 Div 2. It is always important to fully understand the hazards present in your area and make sure it is addressed in the proper groups and zone ratings. The WNL is designed to replace conventional fluorescent fixtures in an industrial, commercial, and tunnel application. It delivers lumen output range from 3,900 to over 14,000 lumens. IP66 rated, it is well suited for dirty, wet, and corrosive environments. The lens and the case are designed to withstand severe impact and vibration. The vented enclosure eliminates pressure and assures reliable sealing. Operating temperatures for the WNL is an impressive -40 degrees Celsius to 46 degrees Celsius, and the versatile brackets allow for multiple mounting styles, including surface mount, suspended mount, and adjustable mount. Some great applications for the WNL would be tunnels, replacing interior fluorescent fixtures in classified locations, and even loading docks. The next fixture we're talking about today is the Sdl Flood Fixture. Again, this fixture meets the following classifications: Class 1, Class 2, Div 2. The FDL is an energy-efficient alternative to hazard location metal halide and high-pressure sodium fixtures, designed for outdoor, hazardous, marine, low bay, and flood applications. Multiple distribution patterns are available, and the standard CCT of this fixture is 5000 K. The lumen output runs between 6400 and 9000 lumens. As you can see, the FDL offers a wide range of mounting options for your applications, including ceiling, pennant, yoke, wall, stanchion mounting. Thank you for your time reviewing this presentation. If you would like additional information on these fixtures, please contact your local sales rep and stay safe out there.